Mentati nga try minister badan buram jangi jangka health legislatif ondon ka mungkin sini ye minister badi jangka transport legislatif te kini gidai gi re orang ba ki ba sure ki bala awan pas pat klai thu hi bigilang positive te let's leave it like that mentai hilang isolate lagi but ni next come bigilang asymptomatic ru babon lagi kendari ki badan ndai badan sistem ye tingin saya tek nakalakut kani kasi kusu tikilalat imenisyo kata kali protocol tama revised protocol Nilale contact tracing
Because he meets people every day in his.
no I think all people I mean at their level they meet a lot of people
Right.
but they've taken all precautions so it's all I think they've taken all precautions we have done the contact tracing the district units here wherever he has gone in the office they've taken all thing they have taken note of all the people that he has met and accordingly they have categorized who are the low risk and who are the high risk contacts and accordingly they will take action on that some they will need to test some they will not need to test and they will just observe so our aim now is that those people who are symptomatic we test them first those who are asymptomatic isolate stay for 10 days and after 10 days you can come out contact tracing dengan Padyo itu report travel outside he did not travel outside he did not go out he was here all this time nama kini tu himu kiti ye kynduh yanu mo nagalyang ki lapat hai kubor you from the press side we from the health side people who are working for our leaders working for the public most vulnerable because they meet a lot of people so from where they get there it's very difficult to say now because it has spread all over